Okay, everybody, today on Duck Gump Outdoor TV, we will talk. I got my friend Little Gump. I think your choo-choo train broke. And fix your choo-choo train. Kind of crooked. What's so funny, Duck Commander Gump? Oh! Well, your choo-choo train just broke. Anyway, on Duck Commander Gump TV today, we will be talking about them ducks that are way out there. I'm way out there. Sometimes you gotta give them what they call that Hail-lacious call. Like this right here. And that'll get their attention most of the time. May scare them a little bit, something like that. So anyway, when they come in and they doing this and that and run around and there, you do just like last time, and you do them with this right here. You go. And you know what happens next. Boom, boom, boom. And the ducks will fall. See y'all next time on Duck Commander Gump Outdoors. Bye.